Friends, welcome back to my channel. This PWM generator is turning on, but it is not giving output. You can see display is on, and if I connect oscilloscope to output point, PWM out, it is not providing output, it is providing just only constant DC level. I made setting for 85%. When I am changing frequency, there is no change. Let's see what is the problem. This is output terminal. This transistor is problematic. It is 1AM 2N3904 NPN transistor. One AM. Left side base, top collector, I will use this transistor. Yes, now we have output. Its output transistor was damaged, which I replaced from another circuit. So I took this transistor from this DVR board, and now it started working normally. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.